How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about an AI penny stock. So we're going to go over and look at anonymous intelligence company. We're going to go over in detail and see exactly what this company is all about. We're going to be hearing from the CEO. We're going to be going over the investor presentation and look at exactly some of the important things that this company is working on. So we're going to cover all this important information in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. So as I mentioned, the company that we're going to be talking about is going to be Anonymous Intelligence Company, ticker symbol ANON. As you can see over here, year to date, the company is up 125%. So there has been a lot of interest when it comes to AI, especially with the introduction and domination of ChatGPT, basically AI. A lot of investors are getting super interested into investing, learning, and understanding AI, in spite of the massive, massive amount of attraction that ChatGPT got from not only investors, but also for users, basically. So let's talk about exactly what Anonymous Intelligence Company is all about. So when you go over and look at their website, as you can see, the Anonymous Intelligence Company, this is a company that is championing opportunity and privacy and AI. So Anonymous Intelligence Company is pioneering a new era where robust AI platforms and assured privacy come together to empower and simplify your future. So we're gonna go over and look at their investor presentation. Of course, if you want to go over the investor presentation by yourself, you can go to their website and click on the download deck, and it will open up the investor presentation. So we're gonna be hearing a quick introduction of what the Anonymous Intelligence Company is all about from the CEO, and then we're gonna go over and look at a detailed breakdown of the company in detail.
The Anonymous Intelligence Company is based off of two principles. One, security, and two, development in the AI space. In order to do that, we took assets we originally had on the previous company and have adapted them to the modern world, based off of Web3 originally, which is still relevant, but not as exciting for the investor these days. And we've put it into some AI tech and some really cool front-end technology in our applications terminal and our target acquisition Holler.
So as you heard from the CEO, this is a company that is championing opportunity and privacy and AI. So we have Holler AI, which is your one-click solution to smarter and more efficient enterprise operation. We also have Terminal AI, which is a revolution in secure AI, offering powerful capabilities while prioritizing privacy. And we also have Limitless, the premium suite for web application that turns monetization into a privacy respecting art form. So let's go over the first part, which is Holler AI. So let's hear from the CEO going over exactly what Holler is and why this company, Anonymous Intelligence, is set to acquire Holler AI.
So Holler AI is our target acquisition. Terminal really focuses on retail and that retail user experience, and Holler has, similar to us, came up with an idea. It's headed by a fellow named Tyler Koverko. He's a tech guy that's been around for a long time. He's involved in a company called Matador Gold that's coming to market. It's a pretty big deal, and was involved with the build of Polymath, which had raised over $50 million US in the crypto rush, and real projects. So we were excited when the opportunity to acquire Holler came along. And what they're focusing on is EAI, or enterprise AI. Similar to Terminal, it's an application or an SDK and a platform that really gives enterprise users the ability to enable their employees to use AI properly, quickly, and simply. So I like to put it as, right now, AI, large language models, are kind of like a blank canvas, and anyone can paint, but not many people can paint a Van Gogh with a blank canvas. However, you give them a paint by numbers, everyone can make something beautiful. Holler kind of gives workers that paint by numbers. So if you're a law firm, and this, I'm using this example because we've spoken to a law firm and they got excited about it, is basically you're a law firm and we've put together those proper prompts in a usable interface where it's click, click, click. I'm going to need to write a termination letter. What tone do you need? What pertinent information so that nothing is lost? It's all filled in there. Bam, it comes out. No one's really done that yet. There's a lot of applications for marketing and writing and press releases and that type of stuff, but no one's really pushed for enterprise, a little bit more boring, but a lot bigger market as far as I'm concerned. So when we had the opportunity to acquire them, we jumped at it, and we're really excited to work with them, and we're working towards the definitive as quick as we can.
So as you heard from the CEO, Holler is unleashing AI for enterprises, empowering users. It is a one-stop solution and also has a broader application. So another part that the CEO also mentioned is terminal.ai, which is revolutionizing privacy in AI. This is super important because we know the risk with AI. There is a lot of people that can use AI for negative way to steal your data, to steal your content, and etc. So privacy is going to be super important in the future. So let's go over and look at the CEO going over exactly what Terminal AI is and how this terminal could potentially revolutionize privacy in AI.
Terminal is our home baked app. It harkens back to a time, little play on words, when people would go to, they call them their terminals on their computer, and that would be everything. So the idea behind terminal is, we want to create security when you're using the AI world, and we're building a platform where users come in, they open their terminal to the AI world, they can access our curated list of apps, starting off with ChatGPT being the first one, and also getting in a different tailored user experience. Right now, ChatGPT is a bit difficult if you really want to get a perfect answer, or there's some use cases where ChatGPT won't generally give you what you want because of some technological difficulties and such. And we're working on a little augmentation there, possibly building in our own LLM to add into that, and some access to the internet, as well as at the same time really focusing on the security issues that are coming right now. I mean, Italy has banned ChatGPT. Canada has a privacy commission looking at it. There's a bunch of people looking at that because AI really has some amazing powers, but it also has the power to go a little too far. Big data these days is pretty aggressive. I talked to a big data company once, and from talking to me and knowing who I was, within a couple of minutes, the guy, to show off, told me which credit cards I have, and he was bang on. So that was terrifying, and that's one of those areas where I just kind of want that to stop. We want to be able to go have people come onto the terminal platform, enter the AI world, and not be worried about people taking stuff that they don't want to share.
So as you heard from the CEO, we have Terminal.ai, which is pioneering the future AI by protecting privacy, by providing plug and play capabilities, and also it is future ready, which is fantastic. And all of this Terminal AI is built upon Limitless, which is going to be bringing privacy with monetization. So we are going to be hearing from the CEO again, going over exactly how an anonymous intelligence company is said to be generating a revenue, and also what makes anonymous intelligence different from other companies. So when you look at some of the other companies in the AI that are in the public markets, as you can see, we have Anonymous Intelligence Company Incorporated. The market cap is 14.5 million, and we have other companies that are worth more than 200 million, more than 50 million. We have one that's 4.61 billion. We have 45 million. So we're going to go over and look at what makes Anonymous Intelligence Company different than any of these other companies when it comes to generating revenue and what it is main focus is on.
From a valuation perspective, I think the biggest difference, beyond the fact that we are building a premier experience that I think is going to blow people's minds in the short future, is that we are focusing on revenue first. When you talk about a lot of new tech and companies, oftentimes it's who's got this new idea, who's building these things. A large language model is very expensive. ChatGPT has taken on more than $10 billion of investment. We obviously can't really compete there, but what we can do is monetize and provide value to shareholders quickly. And to do that, we developed another program called the ANON SDK. Our ticker's ANON, the name of the ANON SDK. And what that does is, unlike data that stole my credit card ID uses and such, it just scrapes public data, which is worth money. So public data, an explanation would be if you were to be going to Barbados and go to hotels.com and look for your hotels, what we do is we can see what hotels are looking at, what the prices are, advertisements that are posting there, if there's any blackout dates, things like that. really public data that can't be traced to anyone. And that's worth money. I mean, that's really the pickaxes and shovels for AI. We have a partner for all that data that's come back. We send it back to them, and we get roughly 50 cents USD per user at a price under 3 cents to maintain. And that USD is per month. So you can see at scale, we get to 1 million users, it's $500,000. And at that scale, to economy of scale, we get up to about $1 per user. So suddenly we're a $12 million a year company. We have other applications that we have in the hopper that we can't really talk about, but we're planning on expanding and really driving revenue. So as far as I know, and I don't spend my days analyzing every other company because I got to focus on mine, but I think we're the first company that's really focusing on revenue first with AI.
So as you heard from the CEO, Lucas, he talked about exactly their main object is to generate revenue. So that is important. That's what makes them different. And also they're trying to acquire Holler AI, which is also important. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about Anonymous Intelligence Company? Of course, as I mentioned, you can go over their website and also go to their investor presentation to look at exactly a detailed breakdown of the company. You can also find how many shares, stock options, and etc. they have. So as you can see, the share outstanding for this company is currently sitting at 68.2 million. Outstanding warrants were sitting at 25.2 million. Stock options were sitting at more than 1.5 million. Fully diluted shares were sitting at more than 95 million. Insider ownership is going to be 1.66%. Advisor, employees, and consultants own 16.12%. So you can definitely go to their website to look at exactly a detailed breakdown of their products. You can go over the investor presentation to look at exactly what this company is all about. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this company? If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comments section below. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, also hit the like button. I would appreciate that. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.